He is. Look at him.
On today's episode of MotoCheez.
Oh my God. Try out this motor. Dumpy truck.
Here I come to save the day. That means that mighty mountain is on the way. Where did you get that from?
They're from Japan, but there's a place in New Jersey that sells them.
How is it anyway?
It's a little Suzuki Minitruck. What's up, Joe?
Where's everybody else?
Oh, there's Chris. I don't know where he went. He went out already? Oh, yeah. There it is.
Oh, there it is.
Hitman.
Order up. That's pretty fast.
It is.
Like doing like 20 miles an hour.
Damn, son.
I see how fast.
I gotta raise this up probably. Wanna race? Woo! Old Mercury. I do have to lift it up a little. Oh, look at that over there. Look at all the fish over there.
Yeah, holy.
Look at that.
Go. Yeah, fish. Look at him. Look at him.
Big one.
Like
I saw
big.
it. What the
like
hell
that
was
big.
it? What is it?
Looks like
Is it a carp?
carp.
Oh, look at, there he is, right there. There's one. The big carp.
Yeah, look. He's right by his mark.
He is. Look at him.
You're gonna need a bigger boat.
Oh, you mother. Had one. Need an anchor. Where's the wife? Oh, oh, oh.
Gotta hold that boat.
Tiny pinhole. Damn seaweed all over the bottom of this. Howdy, neighbor.
Sticking the wrong water in there.
No. Oh. What's up?
Is that Jeff over there?
Yeah. There's a kayak in the woods if someone wants to use it.
It's mine.
It's Chris's.
Take it out.
Take on the board or a kayak?
Holding on. We'll go slow. I gotta get out of mud here. Oh, you should have jumped on the other side.
Catch up to us.
This is the way to do it.
This thing goes great.
Hang on.
Get off. This fucking thing is like, woo.
Got going too fast.
It's out for you.
I won't go that fast. Oh, wrong side.
Wrong side.
Ahoy, mate!
Ahoy!
The Explorer 200.
So light. Look at you.
That will go slow this time. Ahoy, mate!
Dude, this ain't bad.
How's that? I'm going too fast, let me know. It's because the water's splitting, it's trying to push you away, huh? Jeff's way back. Look at all the bikes out today. Oh my god. Woo! Oh yeah.
Oh, I like that sporty and bad.
That was nice. I think we lost Jeff.
Oh, that backfired.
Oh yeah, a lot of bikes. Some orange. Might be just garbage. Oh, it is.
Cast right here. Rock bass.
Should we?
Yeah.
Should we try to cast here?
Yeah.
We're a long way up now.
Tie me up.
How?
You can pick that thing up. And on the front of my kayak, I'm saying to pick the oar up. Put it, you know how you pick it up and it's the pin it slides on?
I don't know if it will though. I don't think it's big enough. We ain't gonna reach it. Maybe way up like that, maybe?
Oh yeah, shake the oar. Yeah. Yeah.
There it is. Underneath. He's got a worm.
Here, you cast that way. I'll cast it.
Are you gonna wear that sissy thing?
It's called a life jacket.
Oh, I don't need one.
Try to grab him. Shit. Here. You alright?
Oh, my mouth.
Woo! Holy shit, man.
I was stuck in there. I was trying to get out. My phone's fucked.
It's a bad idea. Don't hook yourself with a fucking boat.
A life jacket's good protection.
Yeah, like seatbelts in a car.
Now I know.
And knowing is half the battle.
Shit.
Flipped over.
I got that shit on camera too.
Oh my god, look at this boat.
Come on, we got
Just
her.
pull it.
We got her. We gotta empty it out.
There we go.
Bring it all the way up there.
McKinnon's gonna be like, nope, I ain't getting none of that thing in there.
Oh, it's coming away. Saved Arizona.
What else?
Everything.
Phone?
Yeah, my phone was in my pocket. I'm
You
work.
good?
Nope. Can't make my life.
There's a log right there. Right like that.
Very well, cranker.
Dang, let's get it.
Let's see how we're doing.
Trailer?
Don't roll it.
We can have a
You good?
party. A bus that have.
I know, you can put a whole big chain on there.
Go all the way out.
Holy shit, we did go a ways, didn't we?
A little longer than a few minutes later.
I never seen that. What the hell? Let me see that. Oh my god.
We got food.
Holy shit, that's a first.
That's a live clam.
Look, it is. It closed on the hook. Man, you know what? Holy cow.
He's got it too.
Yeah. Let him go.
Catch and release.
Catch and release.
Some bionic clams.
It's hard to find them tight clams like that.
We get out like.
Oh, look out! Watch that mud. Watch that mud. Did you have shoes?
I said do the same thing.
Oh, no one pulled us in. What the hell? Chris, you didn't pull us in, man. Motor rider. Oh.
Not right there.
It's gotta be. Your dad's just laughing at you. They're deep.
You're not digging in the right area then.
I think you were out a little bit more.
There.
Right about there. Oh yeah. Nah, I wouldn't go. That's like quicksand, dude. Oh.
I'm right there.
That's a hell of a day.
I know, we've seen them all. All carp. They're like this big. Yeah, you're gonna have to pull me back.
He's tired, yeah.
There's that motor.
Man,
Fly.
we're way up. See ya. Oh, fell off. Got that on video too.
How much gas is that one?
Maybe a quarter of a gallon.
How long does that last?
I have no idea. I think there's quite a bit in there. I didn't even look.
You didn't bring a gas can with you?
Nah, these don't burn a lot of gas. I bet you I got over half a tank.
Hey, crank this.
You ain't gonna be able to hold on if I do.
Hey. Keep them up in the air.
There's no way to hook, is there? Oh, it's stalled. Did I open this up?
Oh, shit. Out of gas.
Maybe it's out of gas.
No way, don't say that.
Oh, might be.
Out of gas.
You on?
Keep us alive.
For a little 2.5 horse.
That went all the way up to 2. We went way far. How fast are you going supposed to be, you know?
5, 8 miles an hour maybe. It's hard to say on the water.
Sore losers!
Well, that was an eventful day. Thanks again, Dumpy Truck. Failure on Wheels is here. Got a party going on. Didn't catch nothing but a sunburn. Nice. Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want notifications on new videos. I have links for all of the products I use in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.